Blessings everyone, how y'all doing? This is just a short video to keep you guys updated. I haven't been filming since the other day because of ear fever. Like my eye them peeps, I don't know if my sinus raise my allergies them up, and I can't even smell just bother me. So because of that, I haven't been on camera since the other day, but we still have to keep you guys updated. We are gonna do pause. Yeah guys, we are gonna do the digging a foundation in this week. Didn't get a chance to do it the other day because the hardware had shortage of mall, so they never have enough block, and I know who want to deliver the thing them. Yeah, that will be filmed, as you know. Just want to say a special shout out to Yvette in Canada, a special shout out to Calvin, a special shout out to Marjorie, to Florence, you know, to all the persons who have donated to this cause. Alright, as you know, we get most of the thing, and the only thing we're waiting for right now is steel. So we have the receipts and stuff, them order the hardware. You can check out the videos, guys. I'm gonna put a copy of the last receipt on screen. If y'all can't donate, you can call the hardware and you can put in your order at the hardware. You can purchase online at the hardware so that we can get this thing over with quickly. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm planning to go on the road to them. I'm not sure, because when the sun come up sometimes people may really have a serious problem. Can't even come outside, you know. Even at the house I have to wear the shades. For instance, sometimes even at the night, once the light turn on, I have to put on my shades or if I'm on the phone. So yeah, I will be back on cam maybe today, you know. If I go find, if I do a video today, it will be uploaded tomorrow, guys. So y'all stay safe, and thank you all for being a part of the Elite Jamaica family. And I just want to say blessings to everyone who has support the channel, you know, the likes, the shares, the views, everything that really help the channel and help us so that we can do more. Alright guys, so yeah man, y'all stay tuned to Elite Jamaica. We'll be back shortly. Stay blessed.